Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the sky and see. I'm just a poor boy, girl, I have no sympathy, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows doesn't really matter to me, Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, and now I'm done and thrown it all away. Mama, anywhere the wind blows, I didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, like nothing really matters. Do 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 do. Texting. Yeah. Oh, I have one.
Oh, I knew you were going to do
Michael Raining was ill the day the earth stood still, but he told us where we stand. And Flash Gordon was there in silver underwear. Clyde Rains was the invisible man. Then something went wrong for Fay Ray and King Kong. They got caught in a celluloid jam. Then at a deadly pace it came from outer space. And this is how the message rang. Don't die me now. Science fiction, double feature. Dr. X will build a creature. The androids fighting. Brad and Janet and Francis stars in Forbidden Planet. Wow. At the late night double feature picture show, I wanna go. To the late night double feature picture show by RKO. To the late night double feature picture show in the back row. Oh, fucking A. Good evening and good night.